Hi guys, I have here some rolled oats, dried cranberries that have already been soaked, sugar, 23 grams, some vanilla essence, 6 grams of salt, a packet of instant yeast, 297 grams of water, and also 500 grams of bread flour. First of all, let's take the water and the sugar. Put in the sugar slowly. Oops, don't be like me. Slowly, slowly, slowly. You're almost there. Okay. Right, next, going to be the yeast. This is the instant yeast. Let's grab my scissors first. Okay. Let's pour everything inside. And give it a good stir. Make sure that everything is stirred. Now let's take 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, mix it to the yeast. Just for some vanilla flavoring. After that, let's take the salt, mix in the flour, mix it thoroughly, give it a good mix. Okay, cover the vanilla essence before it spills, and let's mix all the yeast in the flour. Okay, make sure don't leave anything behind. Alright, we are almost there, a bit more. Alright, that's it. Okay, right now we are going to mix it with this stand mixer. We are going to start mixing at the lower speed so that the flour won't fly out. And subsequently, when everything is mixed properly, we are going to increase the speed to number 3. And we will keep doing this for 10 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, your dough will look something like this. It looks a bit dry, but everything will come together after mixing. After about 7 minutes, we can mix all the cranberries that we soaked earlier into the flour mixture. Now we are almost done. You can tell it by looking at all the sides. The dough is not sticking to the side anymore. Okay, now you're finally done mixing. What we're going to do now is to take a scraper and scrape the dough to release the dough from the hook. Do it gently. Okay, we're almost done. Okay. Now what we are going to do is to check the gluten matrix. With this, we will know that whether our dough is ready. Now we are going to cover the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes for it to double in size.
Okay, after 30 minutes, it will double in size. Let's pour everything on the countertop. And let's punch it down to degas the flour. After this, let's divide the dough into two. After that, we will divide into maybe 8 pieces, 125 grams each. Okay, after this, we are going to make it into a ball. And we can prepare a parchment paper lying on a tray so that after we roll it, we can place it on the parchment paper on the tray. So here I'm going to show you guys two methods. One is my preferred way of doing bagel, and one more is a way that I don't really like doing my bagel. Okay, here is the way that I don't really like it. We punch it down first, flatten it, and roll it, and we are going to make it longer just by rolling it. So we are going to connect the ends, and we are going to seal it, and we are done. Okay, this is the easier method. We are going to punch a hole in the middle, then we are going to put it. Okay, we are going to do this method for all the remaining dough. As you can see, this method is way faster than the first method that I showed you guys. Okay, one more to go. Okay, we are done. Okay, let's touch up a bit. Okay, right, good. Okay, we are going to cover this again and let it rest for another 30 minutes. Let's mix the honey in the boiling water. Okay, now what we are going to do is going to wait for the water to boil before putting in the dough. Okay, let's put the dough in. Put in gently, and maybe you can just put 4 in the pan first. The reason we boil the dough first is so that the outside crust set before it goes into the oven. I like to do it about 1 minute each side, but if you like it extra chewy, you can boil it for 2 minutes each side. Okay, let's turn the dough. Roughly about 1 minute.
Okay, we are done here. Okay, let's take it out. Okay, let's finish the last three. Guys, you can actually use a small strainer or a small spoon to flip the dough. Don't be like me, use a chopstick and it's a bit slippery. Okay, this is the last side. And we are done. Okay, last one. Alright. Now after boiling, we will quickly take the bagel and roll it in the oats so that everything can be coated. We are going to do about maybe 4 pieces, and the rest we'll leave it as a plain bagel. Okay, coat it properly. Okay, let's arrange the bagel. Okay. Now we are going to sprinkle a bit of salt on the plain bagel, and you can also sprinkle some salt on the bagel that's coated with oats as well, just to give it some flavor. Now babies is ready to put it in the oven. We are going to set the temperature at 200 degrees Celsius, and we are going to put it in for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, our bagel is ready. Okay, you can see our bagel is so pretty. Okay, let it cool on the rack for a while. Okay guys, now is the time to cut into the bagel and it's time to eat. Let's cut the bagel into half. Today I'm going to spread my bagel with some peanut butter and some blueberry preserve because it's already quite late over here and I don't have anything in the chiller. But for you guys who are more savory, You can actually spread some cream cheese, sliced tomato, maybe some capers, and also smoked salmon. It'd be a very good combination